Are you started drawing? Are you started your drawing?
Yes, sir.
Electrolytic refining of copper. That diagram I want. Who did? Who is going to present?
Completed, sir.
Who completed? Tilagavati?
Yes, sir.
Shoma. Use that present screen option. It is possible.
1 minute, sir.
Okay. Abhishek, Shakti Vignesh, Yogeshwar, Payoshi. Who is going to present? Oh, you are using video option, huh? Just go slightly zoom. Okay, ma. Good, 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 good. You represented that anode mud also, no? Anode mud. Good. Satish Kumar, are you trying to present? Satish? Electrolytic refining of copper.
Sir.
Thank you, Tilagavati. I saw your diagram. Fantastic. Within a minute you finished. What about Satish? Are you going to present, Satish?
Sir, I presented, sir.
Sir, first okay, sir. Second question, I am telling about second question.
Sir, I am present.
Mitra is presenting now.
Second question
See the
also
screen of,
presented.
wait. See the screen of Mitra. Sandhya also presenting. Wait, Sandhya. Sandhya, please. Oh, who is presenting now? Sandhya. Sandhya or Mitra? Mitra only, I think. Mitra.
Sir, I am.
Okay, ma. Just have a long shot, please. Long shot. Don't go too closer. Sandhya. Okay. Very good, ma. Very good. Super. Mitra. Okay, good. Already the time is
Sir,
over.
can I present, sir?
Yes. Wait. Sandhya actually started. Vaishnavi started. Wait. Vaishnavi started. Mitra. Mitra, please leave. I saw your diagram. I am so happy, ma. Superb. Sandhya is presenting now. Sandhya. Subiksha. Okay, a healthy competition is going on now. But I don't know which screen I have to see. It shows Sandhya sometimes. Satish Kumar also presenting. Wait for a few minutes. First Sandhya, you please present, ma. Others, please stop your presentation. Afterwards, you can present. Sandhya. First Sandhya, next Vaishnavi, then Subiksha, then Satish, please. Sandhya.
Sir, completed, sir.
Who completed? Rahula. Sandhya is presenting now. See the screen of her. Sandhya is presenting. Please watch her screen. Shoma. It shows only icon. Or I have a problem with the network, I don't know. It shows your icon only. Yes.
Sir, completed, sir.
Yes. Something.
Sir, I also
Okay, ma. Good, good, good. Super, super, Sandhya. Fantastic drawing. Excellent drawing. All the parts are superb. Correct. Thank you, ma. Sakti Velan. Sakti, all are waiting, Sakti. Sandhya, please leave, ma. Please stop your presentation, Sandhya. I saw that. Very good. Next, Satish or Vaishnavi. Any one of you present, please. Others, please wait. இன்னைக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. All are having a you are in a healthy competition. எல்லா பசங்களும் போட்டி போட்டுட்டு காட்டுறது எனக்கு அந்த அவுட்புட் காட்டுறது ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. Thanks to parents and your cooperation. Students are having so enthusiastic. You are so curious. Who is presenting now? Sandhya, please stop your presentation, ma. Thank you. It's a nice presentation. Next. Who is going to present? All the ones stopped, huh? Satish? Who is this? Red color. Arvindana?
Sir, I am presenting.
Satisha?
Shakti Velan.
Shakti Vel. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. We present. No problem. Wow. Anode mud key. Battery you left, I think. It is already there. You left battery. That means writing anode plus Cu. What about electrolyte? Electrolyte? Yes, you written acidified copper sulfate. Within bracket you write electrolyte. Okay. Acidified copper sulfate, within bracket you write electrolyte. And electrolyte it is actually not represented. ஒரு வாட்டர் மாதிரி ஒரு சிம்பிள் போடணும் இல்லையா, பாதி வரைக்கும் அந்த எலக்ட்ரோட் அதில் இம்மர்ஸ் ஆகிருக்கணும் இல்லையா. இட் ஷுட் பி இம்மர்ஸ்ட் இன் த எலக்ட்ரோலைட். ஓகே, வெரி குட் பா, சூப்பர் சூப்பர் சக்தி, சக்தி வேலன், சூப்பர், எக்ஸலன்ட் டிராயிங்.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you stop your presentation. What about others? Others, please show. Please show your
Sir,
presentation.
Aravindan.
Aravindan, yes. Satish started by. Wait. Satish. Do. Do it. It shows you only the icons.
Sir, can I show it?
Wait, wait. Satish is trying. Wait. He's trying to present.
Okay, sir.
Satish, please. Start your presentation. Started, I think. Wow, super. Where is electrolyte, boy? No electrolyte. Very good, super. Who is this, Lakshita? Tayyal Nayagi. It shows the name Tayyal Nayagi. Very good, Satish. You please stop your presentation. Satish, please stop your presentation, please. Aravindan, now you can start. Or Vaishnavi, Subiksha. Some of the students left. Are you in the line, Vaishnavi? Vaishnavi in the line. Okay. Those who presented, please leave the class. Thank you. Thank you for your participation.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I presented, sir.
Okay, ma. Okay. Satish, stop your presentation. Or you be in the line, no problem. Those who want to see others' work, you be in the line, no problem.
Sir, I am showing the Aravindan.
Yes, yes. Do it. Rahul also started. Rahul. It shows Baran. Okay, okay, okay. Aravindan's. Aravindan. Yes, yes. Good. Super. It is freehand sketches. Without scale you done. Okay, bye. Super. Good, good. Super, super. What about Rahul? You stop your presentation, Arvind. You stop your presentation.
Stop it, sir.
Okay, good. Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi, please.
Sir,
All the boys
sir,
are
I presented, sir.
presented. Oh,
Yes, sir.
what about Subiksha? Left. Subiksha, you present ma, please. Sorry. Subiksha, are you in the line? Okay, Rahul.
Sir, presenting, sir.
Yes, do it. Do it, please. Okay. It is somewhat blurred. You are using the video option, I think. For me, some.
Sir, I'm telling.
Wait, ma. Wait. Rahul is presenting now. Rahul is presenting now. Okay, bye. Superb. Very good. Thank you. You stop your presentation.
Thank you, sir.
Who is presenting now? Next. Who is next? Mitra presented. Shakti Velan presented. Sandhya presented. Sadish over. Tilagavati over. Ananda Kannan. Subiksha. Wait. Subiksha is presenting now. Others, please wait. Subiksha started. Yeah. Ma, it should not be the electrolyte. It should not go to the upper level. It should be at the middle, ma. It should be at the middle. Okay. The diagrams are correct, but nothing you written about anode and cathode. Anode and cathode not actually written. Okay, good. Super. Anyway, within 1 minute you tried. Okay, you stop your presentation. Next, AK.
I'm present.
No, AK. I am telling Ananda Kannan. Or he is in the line. Abhishek, Sargesh,
Sir, I'm showing.
left.
Ananda presenting. Ananda showing.
Showing. Okay. What name, pa? For you, what name? Ananda Kannan. What name? In what name you are presenting?
Kayyal Nai, sir.
Kayyal Nai. Okay.
Kayyal Nai, sir.
Okay, boy. I am ready now. Sure. Yes. You started your presentation. Okay. Electrolytic refining of copper. Key. Show the full diagram. It shows only the door or something. It is not showing off only. You are showing half of the thing. It is actually showing the furniture. Okay. Okay, boy. Good. Super, boy. Fantastic. And next, anybody having picture with you? Diagram? Anybody want to present? Who is that? We cannot get your voice.
Sir, I want to present.
Voice is breaking, ma. Sorry.
Sir,
You present.
I also have to present.
Yes, you present it, please. Payoshi. Yes. Payoshi is now presenting.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, boy. Thank you. My no electrolyte is drawn, I think. Electrolyte. Oh. I cannot see the electrolyte. Only anode, mud, cathode, anode, other things only. Simply you drawn that acidified sulfate, copper sulfate. எலக்ட்ரோலைட்டுக்கு தண்ணி போற மாதிரி கொஞ்சம் ஒரு சின்ன டாட்ஸ் போடணும். But I cannot see the dots. Oh, here and there you have put dots. Very good. Super, ma.
Thank you, sir. Sir, shall I?
Payoshi is okay. Good. Who is going to
Sir,
present?
shall I? Present, sir.
Who is?
Sir, Akshita.
Rakshita. Okay, Lakshita, please. You are in the name Govindarajana. You are coming with the name Govindarajan ma. Payoshi, stop your presentation, please. It shows you are something you are trying.
Yes, sir.
Yogeshwar, see, he not even tried. From our line, he left. Very good. Jiva also not showing anything. I think he is not having the options in the mobile. He is having problem. Yes, I'm seeing now. Wait, Chargesh. Govindarajan it shows. Lakshitas. Okay. Anode mud. Somewhat blurred for me. Okay, ma, correct. Okay, super. Excellent drawing. Electrolytic refining of copper. Super. Stop your presentation. All are not representing that much in electrolyte. You are not giving importance to electrolyte. Please be careful when you are drawing electrolyte. Nothing is there. Chargesh, you please start your presentation. Lakshita, stop your presentation, ma. Stop it, please. Chargesh. Okay. Chargesh is presenting now. Electrolyte full. Oh, I cannot see. It is in black color. You have stopped, Chargesh? Have you stopped? Ah. எலக்ட்ரோலைட் இருக்குல்லப்பா அது என்ன பண்ணணும்னு கேட்டா ஒரு பாதி அளவுக்கு இருந்தா போதும் ஒரு காவாசி இருந்தா போதும் the minimum level it should be immersed electrodes அதுல immerse ஆயிரும் அது அதுல நனைஞ்சு இருக்க மாதிரி தொட்டிட்டு இருக்க மாதிரி காமிக்கணும் it should not be in full okay good super good what about others
Okay, sir.
okay very good boy next anybody Mitra Jiva only not shown anything but he is in the line Yogeshwar, please prove yourself, Yogeshwar.
Sir.
Have you
Yes,
drawn
sir.
anything?
Yes, sir.
Do it. You don't know how to present or on the video? Yogeshwar.
Sir.
You drawn anything? ஏதாவது வரைஞ்சு
sir.
பாத்தீங்களா?
Yes, sir. Drawn, sir.
Then show it. சார் இந்த உலகத்துக்கு ஏதாவது காட்டுங்க சார் காலை ஆட்டிக்கிட்டே இருக்கணும் அந்த உலகத்துக்கு வெரி குட் சூப்பர் why upper line is there something you drawn like dotted lines it should not be drawn see the picture but anyway it's good super excellent drawing okay sir I'm so happy after a long time you are proving yourself to all
Yes, sir.
super pa excellent drawing
Thank you, sir.
very good and next what about others Jiva you have any problem with the instrument I thought you only will give first picture or will show the diagram first Jiva can you hear my voice Jiva okay thanks to all of you I'm so happy today's performance is so good excellent performance of the students I hope I believe that God is showering that much blessings on me especially in chemistry whatever I'm saying you are making it to truth imagine பண்ணா அதை செய்யற அளவுக்கு நீங்க ஒரு கோஆபரேஷன் கொடுத்துட்டே இருக்கீங்க I hope this time we will get again the level of state level நல்ல மார்க் இந்த தடவை வரும்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஆண்டவனை வேண்டிக்கிறேன் your cooperation is that much I am so happy thanks to all thanks to the parents okay you leave please students you leave please
Thank you, sir.
yes thank you thanks to all thanks
Yes, sir.
Lakshita and Subiksha. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You close yourself, Subiksha and Lakshita.